What is up, guys, and welcome to the South Coast. On today's video, we're doing some fire ant control around the house, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so down here on the South Coast we have fire ants. They build ant piles. You walk through the ant piles, they light you up. It's no bueno. So what we do around here, what I do personally, so I use this product called Talstar P. It's a liquid form, it's a concentrate. It comes with this pamphlet. It tells you all different ways to use it for all sorts of different types of bugs and whatnot. The mix that I use, I put 1 to 2 ounces in a gallon of water. I think I usually try to do 1 ounce of Talstar in 1 gallon of water. Put it in a pump-up sprayer, and then go around spraying the ant piles, breaking the crowns on them, and it works really well. So we'll get some of this mixed up, and then we'll go spray some ant piles. I'll show you how it works. Alright guys, so we got our Talstar mixed up with some water, got it put in the pump sprayer. Always a good idea to wear some rubber gloves when you're messing with these chemicals. Make sure you wash anything that comes in contact with this chemical afterwards, like use my pocket knife to cut the seal open. Got to go wash that before I use it for anything else. Don't want to be getting sick or cross-contaminating anything. Also rinsed off the area where I was working, diluted it all with some water, got it washed off as to not cross-contaminate walking through it, walking in the house, anything like that. Couple tips when you're doing this: kids, keep them inside. Dogs, pets, whatever you got, keep them away from it. And I like to come out and spray sort of not too long after a rain comes through. So if you're like me, you got sort of ant beds all throughout your yard. Some of them are old, some of them are new, you can't really tell. But if you wait for a good strong rain to come through, knock them all down, you can come back out maybe the next day, 2 days later, you'll see the fresh piles coming up. That's what you want to hit. So we'll go ahead and spray the pile, and then spray some circles around the pile to keep them from spreading, get any of those satellite nests that we can. So that's all I'm going to talk about right now. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, well it is as easy as that. You get that Talstar P, follow the directions. It's got a section in there for ants. I believe it says 1 ounce to 1 to 2 gallons of water. I usually do the 1 ounce to 1 gallon of water mix. May mix it a little heavy from time to time, but it's been working out well for me. So that's all I got for you. Go get you some Talstar P if you got fire ants. Get them sprayed. Take them out. Anyway guys, appreciate y'all watching these videos. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Click subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Leave me some comments. Let me know how you take care of your fire ants, if you do anything for it. And if you try out this method, let me know how it works for you. But anyway guys, we'll catch you later. Anyway guys, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.